Number 5. AKASO Brave 7. The AKASO Brave 7 is your ultimate adventure companion, designed to capture every thrill with stunning clarity and ease. This action camera boasts 4K 30 FPS video resolution and 20 megapixel images, allowing you to record your epic moments in Ultra HD. Its cutting-edge design eliminates the need for an additional case, offering waterproof protection up to 33 feet directly out of the box. Whether you're diving into ocean depths or riding the waves, the Brave 7 has you covered. The dual display feature is a game changer, with a vibrant 2-inch touchscreen on the back and a handy front display for effortless selfies and framing. Adjust your view angle from 170 to 70 degrees to suit any scene, and enjoy the added benefit of distortion correction for flawless shots. With advanced EIS 2.0 stabilization, your footage will be smooth and steady, no matter how intense the action gets. Equipped with a voice control feature, this camera listens to your commands, allowing you to focus on the action. The included visual remote control with an LCD screen lets you manage your settings at a glance. It also comes with two 1,350 mAh batteries and external mic support, making it the perfect choice for extended shooting and pro-level audio. If you really want to push your limits and capture every thrilling moment, the AKASO Brave 7 is the ideal action camera for you. It's durable, reliable, and packed with features that will elevate your content to new heights.